back.
This is the final video on the reassembling or refreshening of the Integra.
Yeah.
Last video,
as you can tell, we're all wearing the same. We're wearing the same clothes. Gary's here now. We just finished the car. You know, we're all pretty pumped. The car started. Kervis is you know, hype. You know, he's feeling good. So we're just gonna keep the momentum going. We're gonna get an early start on this video because the car is gonna be out this week. So we just want to assemble it and, you know, get it ready for them to pick it up. So that way we'll just cut this video, you know, the end of the night, and we'll start again once we get the car back from the detail shop.
So the plan, so just to give you guys, like he just said, he broke it down. Today we're going to be focusing on assembling the front end, finishing assembling the front end. We're going to paint the calipers.
Yeah, so we'll probably leave the wheels off.
We'll leave the fronts. The rears will most likely be ready.
Yeah, so we'll leave so we'll just paint the fronts and just let them hang. And then he'll probably assemble that
off camera tomorrow, so that
during
way,
one of his days we have time, so before they pick it up, because we just want to paint them and cut the video, come back when it's all ready for us to.
The goal, yeah, we also I gotta bring my. Well, we'll probably do this off camera. We'll probably gotta bring my computer to load the.
Oh yeah, the base. Yeah, so and we gotta connect the exhaust too, everything like that.
Yeah. So we got a little bit of
a little once over as well.
But what we're gonna focus on is actually slapping the front end together. We're gonna just assemble everything, paint the calipers, and that's gonna be that's as far the next clip, because like Lewis was just saying, we're gonna the car's going to the body shop probably Tuesday for them to do a full detail on it, exterior detail. They're not gonna, I'm gonna tell them to stay away from the engine bay. We'll work on that ourselves. So they're gonna do a complete exterior detail. Then when we get the car back, we're gonna button up anything that needs binding up.
But yeah, guys, so let's get right to it. Let's go.
right, guys. So the car is back from the detail. So he'll do a quick. I think we actually have some cinematics we'll throw in.
Yeah, we're gonna do that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that.
So now it's time to talk about what's gonna happen with the car. The car is actually sold as of yesterday or 2 days ago. The sale was finalized, and that's why we were working to.
It'll be finalized in the morning when they pick the car up.
I'm already paid. The car's sold. It was we needed space. In reality, I picked up too many cars to be able to store them all. But this car's getting sold. We don't. As of tomorrow morning, we will no longer have the car. That's why we were actually trying to button it up and everything. Car's running fine. We just did the alignment on it. I drove it real quick, but that was it. Yeah.
Yeah, we were gonna try to get some rolling shots, but it's too dark and it's 10 o'clock at night, so
Yeah.
we kind of like crunched things in to the last minute today, just to make sure the car is ready for the new owner tomorrow. So unfortunately, there's not gonna be none of that. So I mean, I'm gonna try to do some cinematics. That's it for this whole build series.
Yeah.
This is the end of this car. Maybe in the future we'll relink with it. Chances are slim, but possible. Yeah. This is the farewell of the NSX K-Series Blue GSR.
Yeah.
This is it.
Bittersweet moment.
And like, you want to move out a little bit? I try to do it as our intro, but you can like see the depth of this car now, like of this paint with the clear. I mean, after the detail. The pearls repel real nicely. It's not really scratches, it's more like the pearl and the reflection.
We try to put some light to it. You can just see that.
Wow. Look at that, the camera's actually picking up it really nicely.
That's it's bittersweet. I'm like, I have never spent.
The car is the best it's been.
Yeah.
You know, and it's sad that this is the conditions, but it happens.
We're on to bigger, better things. I'm confident about it.
Not yet, but we're gonna get that way. You know, we gotta get over this little hump. Getting rid of this is not gonna be easy, even for me, who, you know, you guys see me work on it here, and I worked on it before when he first got it, when we was first putting it together. But sometimes we gotta make sacrifices. Sometimes we gotta move forward in life. So this is it.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at All Purpose Builds.
See, he
I'm
can't even
upset.
speak
I'm slurring
straight.
words. I just want to.
All right, guys.